7 minutes.
But that's it.
Yes,
could you?
So we 7 minutes now.
Okay.
Be clear, between the 7 minutes, not kind of issues. Me saying I don't know. Because for me,
yes,
maybe I may be biased because the IGP is my friend.
Okay.
I may be biased.
Okay.
Because he's my friend, and you know, say you lose as a man, to me kind of say the American will be a minimum asset. For me, may feel say I think this is the first time my mom say Yamu be straightforward 2 years. Say 1 year.
Yeah, 1 year.
Yeah, who I aspire no assignment. So minim, I just have to. Me buy an ambe ye.
Yeah.
I say me nyabo say na me kind the constitution in the legal year original so the ma 2 years. But me feel say so the time in the man opportunity to become an IGP. Now can you jam 6 months ben wa kofi.
Sure.
And the president nim di mo feel say time in here short adwuma no went me I be plan to be a lazy in the boot area or best start and maybe you've not been fair. I think I do before for bonus be able to the name be near some waste time into Yemen America cra. But me feel say nan ke be or 1 year and the woo year no extending another year. It would have been better than to be given 2 years straightforward. Okay. But I don't have anything against your new appointment to be.
All right. Doc, I mean to on that. Just quick on the other issues. You know.
We are a country that has a prosperous future and potential. Nipa bebre serve various institutions with the belief and the dream and the goal say one day no omeba be down and make an impact. Dampare COP Dampare, the former IGP, raised the threshold for that office. Dampare Magana for whom say there was an IGP of police. For the first time as a citizen, I felt say yes, there was a leader within the police service. Other people might not have agreed with Dampare on certain things whatsoever, but I can say without any doubt, say, Kojo, COP Yohonu is the worst IGP we've ever had under the aegis of our fourth republic.
Oh, how?
Yes. If you are a leader,
just under 8 months,
of course. If you are a leader and you do not uphold to the rule of law in a democracy like ours, no, then you are a worse leader. There are so many allegations echo around about COP Yohonu. A lot of allegations. I have a serious issue against COP Yohonu. And if you care to know, this week, Nyamea Aduma may be petitioning the president and the police council for the removal of COP Yohonu. And I'm going to take this on as a serious legal battle for the first time to challenge that office.
And what are the bases?
Okay, assault case now. Ninkolano, led by ASP Samuel Anabofo. Baby Obiano, onim say. So sorry, no who say we are sorry. No who said definitely no. It's a reminder, say justice any karma better on one day. Sure. COP Yohonu a try say or suppress case no. One responded to me petition no. One refer me case to PIPS in that matter. And I've learned say these boys are under his direct leadership, under the Special Operations Force, your unit, under the office of the IGP. The grounds are yenina. I mean, most virtuous Ghanaians, Ejina Pintim, supported the removal of CJ. One of the grounds was what? The infringement on the fundamental human right of a citizen of this land. So what makes COP Yohonu different? If he is complicit in the same grounds are Yedi CJ Tokono. So I'm calling on COP Yohonu. Sir, indeed, he should prepare for a very, very long legal battle. Because Nana, me Jina Obianim say me I'm very principled. Me Jina me cause till the last blood is drawn.
Okay.
COP Yohonu is not competent. He is not credible. I do not think that he is virtuous enough to uphold that office. Dampari raised the level high. And then we are talking about 2 years extension. Is he the only commissioner of police there? We have young, credible commissioners of police.
But that's the prerogative of the president and the constitution allows.
Sir,
so
there's a limit. After 60 years, I saw retirement. And yes, sir.
But the same constitution also allows the president to also give a year or two. All right.
And I make her say, Nana, I am saying, sir, President Mahama in Oba Abayamono. One of the things Omoye Ghana for NEG and they say they suspended the grant of contract for all appointees under the SY administration. And I can read here. A letter from the office of the president dated 2nd April 2025. It says that suspension of the grant of contract appointments. The grant of post-retirement contract appointments to retired public service staff has been suspended with immediate effect. Consequently, all requests for such appointments will no longer be considered. Kindly take note of this directive and ensure strict compliance. I want to read number 2 again. Consequently, all requests for such appointments will no longer be considered. So what is the basis for the consideration of COP Yohonu? Why have they considered the extension of his tenure as IGP? Meanwhile, when they came into office, indeed, even under the previous administration, we all spoke about it. Say Akufo-Addo contracts to conform retire, and the younger ones are there now. Omunya opportunity and lady. Adentina sebi bibi maino. We are so power drunk. 92.9. Nipa koshe top honuma on person of you. What is there? And I mean, titi rumor say this IGP no sebi shika shenisem. I don't know what might have gone on. Me rumors. And I make us a rumor say IGP way sebi in the pocket near deep. I don't know what might have risen to decide, say, President, any police council. And the police councils will bow their heads down in shame today. The pertinent issues are air course or police service, no, Kwame, Nana, and Nyagro. They should focus on strengthening the institution.
All right.
But, Sir Uber Catcher me say, COP Yohonu is the only competent commissioner. And that the Awa Kana Esa or Mosu somebody IGP na yetimi who say indeed no raise the bar higher than even what Dampari did no more pushes COP Yohonu for what reason. I don't know what relationship he has with the NDC government. I don't know what he might have done because there are rumors say or under the previous elections. These are rumors. And again, once Ghana Accra we say is very small.
Okay.
Rumors might be facts.
Okay.
But it is for us, media, political actors, to then determine whether indeed it is a fact or not.
Okay.
Through investigation.
All right.
But I have this morning said, Nana, my Benjamin Sasso, vote of no confidence for COP Yohonu. Okay. I think there's a wrong decision by the president and the police council. They should look back at it. But this week, I'm going to petition for his removal for infringing on my constitutional rights and my human rights.
All right, Medasi Jones, Tonton Chrome must say, Braco Joe, I appreciate JDM for giving IGP 2 years more. God bless JDM.